Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Paper Yoshi. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the nose. Let's draw a large curve out to the left and back in. And then at the bottom, let's draw another curve down. Now let's move inside and let's draw two curves on the top for the nostrils. Now on top of the nose here, let's draw the eyes. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve up and down. And then another larger one next to it. Now inside, let's draw two ovals. And color them both in black. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw a curve up. And then one from the middle, going up and down for the top of the head. Now let's curve it out for the cheek. Then leave a gap and let's draw a curve up and under the nose. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath on the right here and let's draw a curve down. And then let's add the spikes on the back. Let's draw a triangle shape out, another one underneath, and a small one at the top. Next, underneath the back here, let's draw the arm. Let's draw two curves down. And then from the left line, let's draw a bump, another one underneath, and then one more to close off the hand. Now to draw the other side of the belly, let's start underneath the head on the left and let's draw a curve down to the hand. And then continue it on the other side, stopping here to leave room for the leg. Next, let's hop over to the left and let's draw the other hand. Next to the belly, let's draw a curve, and then two curves underneath. Now let's hop over to the right side and let's draw the shell on the back. Let's start next to the spikes and let's draw a curve down, and then curve it back up and in. Then let's add another curve underneath and curve it up. Now next to the shell, let's draw a curve up, and then curve it down for the tail. Now in the gap at the bottom here, let's draw the first leg. Let's start with a curve down on both sides. And then for the shoes, let's bring it up, over, and back down. And then a curve underneath on the right. Now let's hop over to the left and let's draw a larger curve up and back down for the front of the shoe. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Now underneath, let's add the sole by drawing a curve and a smaller one at the back. Now let's hop over to the left and let's draw the other foot. Underneath the hand, let's draw a curve, and then bring it in at the bottom. And then another curve underneath for the sole. Next, I'm going to go around all of the outside and thicken up the line slightly. And lastly, to give the paper look, let's draw a border around the outside. And that's it for Paper Yoshi. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!